Uber with the worst earnings they said in 3 years, Pete. But listen to the numbers here. They reported per share earnings of $1.20 a share, significantly above the 37 cents that they were supposed to. Revenue, well, $11.19 billion, beating the $10.99 billion that the street expected, and reflecting a 20% year-over-year increase. So why is the stock trading down so hard, Pete? Well, their bookings. The bookings were the worst in 3 years, Pete. And people got nervous that maybe this thing had peaked. And, because of the pandemic and Uber Eats and deliveries and all the rest, maybe that was as good as it got. So people started selling with both hands. It's down almost 11% right now.
This is one where I would watch this one very closely, John. I don't know that you jump today because it still has the wrath of everybody who's trying to sell it right now. But when you beat on your revenues by about 20% year over year, I'd say that's a damn good year. And if you beat on your earnings that were looking for 37 cents and you put up $1.20, I'd say that's a pretty decent beat right there. They did miss some of the expectations as far as the outlook. I get it. But this is a name that, given what they were able to put up here, John, I would watch this one very, very closely. And if it starts having any kind of unusual options activity coming into it or anything of that nature, I certainly would. It would grab my attention because this was an incredible quarter. Yeah, there's probably some headwinds in front of them, but those booking numbers are something that certainly we want to look at. But they put up some great numbers this go around, John. And I think that the outlook may be a little bit weak, but does it really justify the fact that they've slammed it as hard as they have today? I'm not sure it does.
Yeah, but somebody was buying puts in here, folks. I mean, we like to say somebody always knows. Now, sometimes or very frequently, that somebody is us because we follow that smart money. And as you see there, 8,000, that would be 800,000 share equivalent, 7,950 options, nearly 800,000 share equivalent of short positions that somebody wanted. Well, when they're buying that many, we had to jump in there. Well, take a look at where the stock is today. It ain't $80.44 anymore like it was the 17th of October. Now it's 72, and it's been under 70 today. So if you were in here trading that trade, I think you're pretty happy as well.